Here's the latest on Fiona. Came in at 5 o'clock. Look at this big burst of convection overnight. Went through Guadalupe and Martinique last night. Now over the eastern Caribbean Sea, bearing down on the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. They're going to be on the relatively stronger side of this, so they are certainly prepared for a high-end tropical storm. And the latest forecast track, still the thinking is going to make a big turn to the right and head up into the western Atlantic Ocean, well to the east of South Florida, but as a hurricane. And it could be a hurricane sooner than later as it heads toward the eastern tip of the Dominican Republic tomorrow. Its closest approach to us will be sometime Wednesday or Thursday when it's at our latitude. But still, the thinking has not changed. The trough going to move off the east coast and kind of bump that farther away from us. I'll let you know how that still might impact our weather in just a minute. Vipercast stopping this early tomorrow morning shows hurricane conditions possible for Puerto Rico. They're under a hurricane watch now. They're also under a hurricane watch for the Dominican Republic, the eastern portions. That's Sunday night, early Monday morning. Then it makes a right-hand turn and goes near the Turks and Caicos and just to the east of the southeastern Bahamas. We've got Vipercast this morning, indicating some scattered showers and storms around, and we'll see some of those kind of fizzling out. We'll get a bit of a break between about 8 o'clock and 11 o'clock in the morning, and then as we head toward about 2 in the afternoon, more showers and storms firing up. And then we'll see some pretty heavy hitters developing as we head toward about 5 o'clock this afternoon. It's going to keep our temperatures in the 80s. That's the good news. But there's also going to be some pretty heavy rain around. So here's how this plays out on the moisture forecast map today. We're socked in with sogginess. Same story tomorrow and same story on Monday. The oranges and the reds, that's the moisture. But watch what happens as we get into Wednesday. Look at the drier air beginning to build on down. These deep blues, that's very dry air for this time of the year. That's on the backside of Fiona, so that's what we're going to wind up getting is the drier air, at least based on the current track. 87 showers and storms out there today. Some of them could be pretty heavy. Showers and storms for the boaters. Not a good day to be on the water today. A couple of gusty winds near some of those storms as well. Temperatures in the 80s today, tomorrow, and Monday. The rain chance still pretty high. And then we get into some much drier air. Look at this as we head toward the second half of next week. Thanks to Fiona for us getting some of that drier air.